Hello guys, welcome back to Brayden's RC channel. Today we are going to be building the Ryft part 3, I think.
Yeah, this is part 3.
Okay.
Because I forgot we had 2.5. We put on the other one because we was just showing off the electronics. So we're ready for the shocks, and I went ahead and pre-built these shocks, and they're pretty nice shocks. The only thing I'm wondering about is how skinny that little shaft is. Look how skinny that is.
Yeah.
But they're good shocks. But when I assembled these, I built a little shock stand on the 3D printer, or printed a shock stand on the 3D printer. And you can't set them in there with the springs on there, but anyway, that's what I used to fill the oil, because there was a lot of oil that went in these guys. So that's all done. I don't think I had any issues with them. They went together rather easily. And we've got that bolted under the car when we dyed it. So that's on. So let's go ahead. We can go ahead and tighten up all these bolts now. I left everything loose when we dyed it, so that way the dye could get in between all these joints. So we've not really gone back and tightened everything up yet. That's not the right one. It's this one. You want to run all those bolts in?
Yeah.
These got to come out.
Okay.
So let me take these out first, because we're putting a longer battery in there. It's got these battery spacers in here in case you want to use some shorty packs. Now it's a rigid car. Now so we got to put this cap on there. And it goes, there's the back. It goes this way. Probably don't matter. And that's bag F3. There we go. Alright. There's all those frickin' screws done. Right? Did we miss any? Okay. So the chassis stuff's all done. That's done. We got during the break here, we went ahead and got the interior painted. I painted it with PS23 Tamiya. That's a gunmetal. And we got the decals all on there. Looking pretty cool. Brayden wanted to have the navigator, wanted to have him looking over at the driver like he messed up or something. So he's giving him the evil eye. Right? Isn't that what you did?
Yeah.
What'd you say?
I said he should be looking over and see if he's going the right way or not.
Oh, we're right here, so we need this.
F4?
F4 bag.
You said it.
It's right here.
Right there.
And this is the little body pins. The hood pins. Yeah. So these are hexagonal. Oh my.
Hexagonal?
Hexagonal.
Oh.
And you want these pins. Put the pins in there sideways. Okay, so there, hopefully, oh my God, that's the cage from hell. 15 billion screws in it. All that's done, thankfully. All that's done, all that's done. Uh-oh. We're ready for the F9. We got to bolt the interior in. There we go. Boy, that's a beast. Okay, and now I guess we're doing the sway bar.
Sway
That's kind of funny that you put all that stuff together on the body and then you leave the panels till after all this stuff. The side and top panels. Doo-doo-doo-doo. We've got this rod goes through there and then goes through this one. Well, isn't that fancy? And then we've got two of these. Does it say right and left? 4001, 4001. So it looks like you want it. So you want those facing up. See those points on there?
Yeah.
You want those facing up when you get it screwed all the way on there. You double checking me this time?
Yeah,
last time we said that he was wrong.
Right there.
What's that? Okay. And then we've got those blocks already in on. Oh, we don't have those on the car yet. We got to bolt these. This is F12.
Why does it looks like those little
Oh wait, we got to put these on here. So these balls go in here. Wait a minute.
Should they go in there?
Wait a minute. They go in there. And I need shot pliers.
Good thing it didn't went flying last time.
What, did they go flying last time?
Yeah, they did. Remember? One did.
Oh. Well, that was an E-clip.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, there's the sway bar.
It looks like a swing, if you like think about it.
Mm-hmm.
Like, if you were to take that part out. You get it?
Mm-hmm.
I think that was a
Four
screw.
more screws, and then we need the body back. And this goes. Now, gotta make sure we got it the right way because these don't swivel all the way. So it's got to go this way. So we're gonna put it in this way. I guess it would have been easy just to look at it and see. These are carrier blocks.
Okay, missed it.
If I find out you put this on upside down, you're going to be in trouble. Because it'd be your fault this time. I'm tired of getting blamed for everything. I got to blame something on you every now and then. Looks like a grasshopper.
Wait.
Looks like grasshopper legs. I'm not done yet.
Wait.
Oh, you're going to lose the screw. Wait a minute. Okay, let's make sure this is in there where it's supposed to be. Trill even makes these carrier blocks.
Hold on. Give it the other way.
It goes just like that.
Sure?
Yep. See the picture?
Yeah. It is like a grasshopper.
Mm-hmm.
Boing, boing.
Dun, dun. Kind of funny, isn't it? All right. And we got the grasshopper legs on. Oh, and now they want you to put the panels on. Wow. Okay. And that's F13. So, there's the 3 panels in its bag. You want to show them the panels that we painted?
Look real closely. Here, give me this one. There's more of what it's showing. So what he did was he put
black,
and then he
hit it with aluminum foil. Yeah,
and then sprayed it with silver.
And more aluminum foil.
Yeah, and then that's what I was about to say.
So you spray it with we sprayed it with PS23 Tamiya gunmetal paint, and that's the darker color. And then I wadded up some aluminum foil and just kind of dabbed it into the paint while it was still wet. You got to spray it on kind of heavy first coat, and you take the aluminum foil and you just dab it into the paint. Try not to slide it around because you'll get smears like that. But I don't know if you can see this on the camera. We'll kind of move it around a little bit so you can see the pattern that it leaves. But you do that with the black, and then you come back over that again with the silver. Well, it's PS23 bright gunmetal. And I sprayed it with that, and then I did the aluminum foil again, and then came back with a backer of the PS23. So it's 23, 63, and then 23.
So you don't have to do the back side because you're just trying to reference
it. You're just trying to cover it all up.
Yeah, he's just trying to say
once you get to that point.
that did this.
You can use like plastic, like saran wrap, plastic wrap, and you can wad it up into a ball and bring it in here, and it'll give you like a marble look.
Oh yeah.
Or you can just lay it. You can just lay it on there in a sheet. Just lay a sheet of plastic wrap on there, and then pull it up, and that's what gives you the marble look.
I wonder what it would do if you put bubble wrap on it.
Hey, that's an idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, the little tiny bubbles.
If someone...
You could take bubble wrap and smear into it, just kind of press it down on it.
If someone has like one of the extra of one of these, try it on there, see if it works pretty good. And then comment on our video, see if it did something good or...
Oh, wait a minute.
You're just trying to fail.
What are these 2 screws for? Oh, we're not using those yet.
Yeah.
Where'd those come from? It was in this bag. And it doesn't show them there. Are we missing something back here? Nope. Got all those screws in. Got all those screws in. We got all that done. We'll figure it out. Nothing else. I got a whole bunch of screws up there. Or we'll have to go back through the book and see if we missed anything. They was in this bag. So obviously they're for these panels. Or something on the body somewhere. Oh, this takes the smaller one. I missed. And I'm not doing all these without having this little guy. I'll do this the easy way. Oops. It's not even close to being where it needs to be. Just gonna get them all started. Finish them off with this. I like it. Now this one will go there. That's going to look sharp, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait a minute. So something's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're kidding me.